Hey guys, I'm just doing a quick video here while I'm on my computer researching. I have a theory, and it's just a theory, that my titanium implant, titanium shoulder and arm, is causing a inflammation in the body. I'll just quickly read this article. It says, metals as a common trigger of inflammation resulting in non-specific symptoms, diagnosis and treatment. The multiple symptoms of chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia resemble those described in patients suffering from autoimmune inflammatory syndrome induced by adjuvants. It has been suggested that chronic metal-induced inflammation may play a role in both CFS, chronic fatigue syndrome, and fibromyalgia, as well as in autoimmune inflammatory syndrome, ASIA. There's also this link between the cobalt in a hip replacement or in a shoulder replacement, or any kind of titanium and chrome part in your body, that the metals can leach into your blood system. Some people have even had a reaction right on site, like right at the actual joint, at the actual prosthesis. So look, that's the path that I'm following down. I'm going to look at getting cobalt blood testing. Cobalt is a metal, and I'm also going to look at getting heavy metals blood testing for lead, mercury, arsenic and cadmium, which I can all get done here locally. The other thing I looked at was low dose Nultraxone, up to 4.5 milligrams, which is titrated, so you work your way up. You don't just take 4.5 milligrams. You can get it with a compounding pharmacy. This is my theory, and I've had this theory for a while, and I don't know if I'm right. I know that if I wear a watch and it's got nickel on it, I get a severe allergic reaction to the nickel. And nickel is, I'm pretty sure that nickel is one of the things in stainless steel. So, I mean, I could be reacting to the metal inside my body, like a lot of other people. Some people may also be reacting to their fillings, which is another thing you can look at. So, when I took steroids like prednisone, I felt fantastic. And steroids, of course, they knock down the immune system. It's a really interesting path to follow. Here's the thing though, I can't get the titanium out of my body. I'll have no arm. I don't think there's an appropriate alternative to that. Is it something that I have to live with, this chronic fatigue? I don't know. But that's something that I'm looking into. I hope that helps other people out there. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Sorry about the quality of this video, but often when I just have these flights of fancy, these brilliant ideas, I need to get that down because I have problems with memory, having chronic fatigue. So hope that helps somebody out there, guys. Like, comment and subscribe. Cheers. Teacher Cell out.